This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Seller motivated. Fabulous floor plan maximizes lake views from the moment you walk in the front door and from nearly every room in the house. Great room plan plus formal living and dining areas. Kitchen boasts cultured marble countertops, real wood cabinetry, large breakfast nook with butted glass windows. Oversized indoor laundry room currently configured as butler's pantry. Gorgeous flooring, both real wood and popular wood look tile. Large pool and huge screen enclosure. Gas fireplace and water heater and plumbed for gas range and dryer. Large master west/French doors to pool, huge walk-in closet within floor safe. Double vanity, large shower and elegant jetted tub. Oversized lot, wonderful lake frontage and beautiful sunset views. Vaulted ceilings. Air conditioner and roof only 2 and 3 years old. Termite bond. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.